Hello guys, this is the last part of the milestone 1 Azani SP management system. So we're going to cover everything from here to the end on this part. So the first one is the system requirements and specifications. So the machine that is going to run our system, what is it required to have? The minimum hardware and software requirements for the system to run effectively and efficiently are tabulated as follows. We have the software requirements and the hardware requirements. So the software requirements: computer should be running Microsoft Windows 7 Professional or above. It should have the Microsoft Access application program, any version. It should have the Microsoft Word application program, any version also. It should have an antivirus program, the latest version. So the hardware requirements: it should have 45 GB of hard drive space available to store all the data entered. It should have at least 5 GB RAM, 3.6 GHz dual processing core. It should have a 20-inch LED monitor, a 2 LaserJet ink printers for report hard copy output, a memory stick, that is a flash disk or CD DVD drive to store all the data entered. So the next part is the system design. You can see that is the flowchart right there. These are the screenshots of the table. We have the login table, login history, bandwidth packages, hardware costs, institutions table, landlords table, payments table, site visits table, subscription table, and here the screenshots of the form itself. So these are the screenshots of the form. These are the screenshots of the queries right there. Next we go to general system security. Number 1, virus. Number 2, theft. Number 3, unauthorized access. And number 4, loss of data. Chapter 4, the system construction. You can see there is a relationship diagram right there. You can see there is a user manual. The software requirements, that is a graphic user interface based operating system like Windows, Mac OS, such operating systems. The next software requirements, that is Microsoft Access application software, and lastly antivirus software. The hardware requirements are computerized system, 488 to 666 megahertz processor, at least 170 MB of RAM, a compact disk, since the software comes on a compact disk, printers, and point of sale terminal equipment. So there's an instruction on how to install the system interface right there. You will follow up every details right there. Then chapter 6, system implementation. We have the changeover strategy, which will be used to implement the system between July and September, that is August, from the old system to the automated system, using the changeover strategy. So there are several possible changeover strategies that may be used to adopt the new system. All strategies were put into consideration, and the best way was chosen according to the research work done. The proposed system is straight changeover. This will be ideal in adopting the new system, as it will cater for errors and possible system failures at a time. We have the system review. Challenges encountered during system development, strength of the automated system, weakness of the automated system, recommendations, conclusions, and the bibliography, the list of books and references materials used in developing the project, and lastly the appendix. So that's it for milestone 1 Azani ISP management system. So if you'd like to get your own copy, I've left my number right over there. You could call or text WhatsApp 011 45 32 618. So that's it for today. See you next time. We'll be going through the milestone 2, that is the access document.